Hello everyone, I'm very happy to meet you all in this video. Let's begin with the beautiful dot mandala in this 8-inch MDF board. I'll start dotting in the center with lavender. I'll keep some pearl rose dots. Let me keep some side swipes in pearl rose. Let me keep some lavender dots. Now I'll do tiny dotting in lavender. I'll keep some plumpy dots in lavender. I'll make these dots into swipes now. I'll keep some pearl rose swipes. Let me keep some lavender dots. I'll keep some pearl rose dots. I'll work the dots in pearl rose. I'll keep some lavender dots now. Let me work the dots in lavender. I'll keep some brush strokes in pearl rose. I'll keep some brush strokes in lavender now. I'll keep some brush strokes in pearl rose. Let me keep some plumpy dots in lavender. I'll make these dots into swipes. I'm sure this dot mandala is looking pleasant and beautiful. Thank you for watching this video.